The guides are saying, for all those times that you have thought that you were darkness, for all those times that you thought that you ruined your life, for all those times you thought you ruined another's, please know, dear child, that you are light. You could never do anything wrong. Guilt has no place for itself within you. Karma is gone. It is released. It does not exist.
I am not the things my family did. I am not the voices in my head. I am not the pieces of the brokenness inside.
You are no longer bound to that which your family holds you to. You are no longer bound to that which you hold yourself to. You are light. That is it. You played a role. They played roles. You experienced creation. Let it go. Allow love in. Allow light in. Do not allow anything to hold you down anymore. You are truly light. And that is it. And that is all. Do not ever forget this. Do not forget this. We love you. Oh, that's so weird when they leave. They're putting into everyone's field a release of guilt, because they say everybody that has guilt, it doesn't exist. It only exists below the heart. So at diamond, guilt doesn't exist. That's cool. That's I Am Light by India Ari. It's I Am Light by India. There we go. Cool. So thank you guys for joining me tonight. I love, love, love meditations. I'm sorry for keeping you past, but I love it. And I love Angel Man here, Ken over here. Got big old wings.